Auscultation of lungs usually we use for determination of different pathological stages into lungs, into respiratory system. From anterior side, we start auscultation from fossa supraclavicularis. For determination of main respiratory sounds, we ask patient let breathe through nose. For determination of pathological respiratory sounds, we ask patient let breathe through open mouth. Sometimes it's necessary use even forced respiration. Please breathe through nose. Under clavicle, we continue auscultation in the same points like comparative percussion of the lungs. Continue auscultation up to the third intercostal space. From the left side stopped it because from this area will be heart sounds and heart dullness. From the right side continue auscultation up to the fifth intercostal space. For auscultation of lateral side of the chest, ask patient let put his hands behind his head and do auscultation from fossa axillaris. Breathe through nose, please. Turn to me with your back. Embrace your chest, please. And from the back, we do auscultation start from fossa suprascapularis. Between scapulas. And do auscultation in a comparative manner. For what? Better we can differentiate if sound from one side will be changed. Along spinal column, up to the middle part of intercostal space of third thoracic vertebra, we can auscultate physiological, bronchial or laryngotracheal respiration. Turn to me with your face. And from anterior side over larynx and trachea, we can the same auscultate physiological, bronchial respiration. That's all. Practical skill is finished.